Hello and Assalamualaikum. Today my teammates and I from STA104 group project want to present about the analysis of UiTM SEGAMAT eating habits. And my name is Muhammad Rahman 2022-476-104.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Azmi and my student ID is 2022485234.
And for introduction, background of study, food is basic needs for human to gain energy to carry out daily life. Eating habits among students is daily routine that most of students do to life sustainability. In UiTM, there are many cafes that serve variety of food from healthy to unhealthy that can be chosen by the student to get their meal based on the interest what the cafe serves. There is rising worry about the possible detrimental effects of bad eating habits on UiTM SEGAMAT student health due to the rise of fast food and convenience meal, as well as the busy and stressful lifestyle of many students. For our objective today is to describe the demographics profile of students, to identify which kind of food that students enjoy the most, to know which cafe students prefer to get their meal, and to identify how often students eat in UiTM cafe. For methodology population, all students in UiTM SEGAMAT, sampling frame is a list of all students in UiTM SEGAMAT. Sample 30 students selected at random from UiTM SEGAMAT. And for sampling technique, we use convenience sampling. The process is 30 students from UiTM SEGAMAT were selected randomly regardless their program to answer the diet of questionnaires.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad bin Wazir, and today I will be presenting about convenience sampling technique. So for convenience sampling technique, we aim to get a sample of useful components. The interview is primarily responsible for choosing the sampling units. Respondents are usually selected because they just happen to be at the right place on the right time. Furthermore, it's being used by creating a questionnaire in the form of a Google form, and then sharing it with the items to WhatsApp group, Telegram. Then the data is collected and analyzed. After that, we got data collection method. So for data collection method, we got 4 parts. So at the first part, there are 2 types of data collection method, primary and secondary. In this situation, we have chosen primary data collection through an online survey. This report includes 3 qualitative questions and 2 quantitative questions. Quantitative data refer to numerical data that can be counted or measured. On the other hand, qualitative data does not assume numerized value but rather falls into non-numeric categories. Quantitative data can be further divided into discrete variable and discontinuous variable. The level of measurement are divided into 4 sections: nominal, ordinal, ratio, and interval.
And the next is data analysis and results. For part A, question number 1. Based on this pie chart, the most of the respondent that took this questionnaire is male students, which is 22 students that could bring 73.3%. And the others responded that took this questionnaire is female, which is 8 students, which is 26.7%. And question number 2, for the part A, we can conclude that based on this pie chart, we can conclude that most respondent who took this questionnaire is around age 80 to 20, which is 25 students, and the list of respondents who took this questionnaire is around age 20 to 23, which is 1 student. And for the part B, question number 1, based on this frequency distribution and the pie chart, we can conclude that the highest kind of food that UiTM SEGAMAT student enjoy the most is protein, which is 11 students, which bring 36.7%. And the second highest kind of food that UiTM SEGAMAT students enjoy the most is complete meal, which bring 9 students, which is 30%. And for the third kind of food that UiTM SEGAMAT students enjoy the most is fast food, which is 6 students, which bring 20%. And the fourth highest kind of food that UiTM SEGAMAT students enjoy the most is dairy, which is 3 students, which bring 10%. And the least kind of food that UiTM SEGAMAT students enjoy the most is starchy, which is one student, which bring 3.3%.
My name is Muhammad Afiq Kumar bin Zulkifli. My metric number is 2022-697-324. I will present part B question 2. Where do you prefer to get your meal? Based on this bar chart, we can see that most of the UiTM SEGAMAT student prefer to eat is NR, which is 10, and the place that UiTM SEGAMAT student least prefer to eat is Parma and Intan Food Court, which both is 6. Question number 3. How often do you eat in your item cafe in a day? Based on this or give, we can see that most of the UiTM SEGAMAT student eat at least 3 times in a day, and least of the UiTM SEGAMAT student eat 4 to 7 times in a day. For question number 4, how long does it take for you to finish your meal? Based on this calculation, we get that mean is 12 minutes. And for the median we got is 8.3. This means that 50% of the students spend at least 8 minutes to finish their meal, and the other 50% spend more than 5 minutes to finish their meal. We get mode is 3.4286. Most of students spend 3 minutes to finish their meal. For the variance, we got 49.8207, and for the standard deviation, we got 7.584. Question number 5. Do you eat variety of fruit and vegetable? Based on this pie chart, we can see that most of the UiTM SEGAMAT students like to eat a variety of fruit and vegetable, which is 80% say yes to eat fruit and vegetable, and other 20% say no because they didn't like to eat a variety of fruit and vegetable.
For conclusion, we can conclude that most of UiTM SEGAMAT students prefer protein in their cuisines. Furthermore, most of UiTM SEGAMAT students love to go to NR compared to other cafes. In addition, most of the students eat around 0 to 3 times a day. Other than that, on average, UiTM SEGAMAT students use 3 minutes to finish their meal. Lastly, UiTM SEGAMAT students enjoy variety of food in their daily consumption. That's all from us. Thank you.